Hello everyone! Having a YouTube channel means that you can watch what other people post. It also means that you can present yourself or your business through posted videos. It can help growth of your community, popularity, and transactions. Also, your videos can be presented to the wider target groups. So, when you have a video, what are the next steps? Leads. You can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Let's get straight to the point. You have a video. The first thing you should do is to upload it by clicking on this camera button. There is a menu that shows upload video, go live, and create a post. Click on upload video. Select file or files, then click on upload or just drag and drop. While your video is being uploaded, and that depends on how long is your video and in which resolution is created, you can do the next steps. If you've already set this up in setting, there are some things that will automatically appear, such as title, description, or whatever you previously typed in settings. But if you didn't, all of this will stay blank. Title. Your title should be short and catchy. You can use letters, numbers, punctuations. It has to describe your video, but also to attract attention. Description. Add text that describes your video the best. Add links to your other social media, emojis, and different fonts. Try to give as much details as you can. Thumbnail. You can choose thumbnails from one of the video sequences that YouTube suggests you, but you can also upload one, which is much better for the algorithm and video views. Make sure to watch your video tutorial how to create a good YouTube thumbnail. Thumbnails can be changed anytime you want afterwards. Playlist. If you have several videos of the same type, make sure to create a playlist and give it a name that really describes what's in it. And do not forget to update it on the regular basis. You can select one that exists, or you can create one. Visibility. You can set up at the very start whether your video will be public, private, or unlisted. For example, if your video is not done, or someone will have to give an approval before airing, then do not set it as public. Age restriction. Is your video made for kids or not? Why is this important? Some of the features and ads won't be played in your videos that are not meant for kids. You can also restrict your video for those who are over 18. For example, if your video shows some drinks or food or games that are not for the minors, you surely won't check the button where it says that it's meant for kids. More options. Paid promotion. Check this part if someone paid you for that specific video. For example, lots of YouTubers are paid for some of their videos. Tags. Keywords or phrases that describe your video. Some of them may show up if you previously typed them in settings. Add more for each video separately. It will help your video reach. Language. If it's not set on default, set the language that you use in your video. This way you help YouTube algorithm and you help your customers to easily find your content. This applies to tags as well. Caption certification. It applies to the US television broadcast, so be sure to check this part out and see whether your video was already broadcasted or not. Recording date and location. Sometimes this part is important in order for people to see where and when it's filmed. In example, sports videos or significant date videos. License. What kind of license to choose? You can choose a standard or a creative one. Allow embedding. Check this on so people could easily share your video. Publish the subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. Check this one as well so subscribers could receive the notifications about the posting of a new video. Category. This part also helps YouTube users to find you. There's not much of a list, but still big enough to find yourself in some part. Comments visibility. If you want inappropriate comments to be held, be sure to check it on the list. However, if you're a scandalous YouTuber, decide what kind of reaction you want. If you have a company channel, all bad comments are surplus. Ratings. Which comments you would like to show under your video first? Top comments? Newest ones? Each person can change it for themselves, but under your video, it's your choice what they'll see first. Show how many viewers like and dislike video. This is an important part if you have to show someone the ratings, especially if you're an influencer or you want to show with video that you really have a good product. Your future business partners, besides the quality, might want the quantity as well. Also, it may have an impact on your audience as well. When seeing a video with plenty of views, there's a greater chance they will click on it. Number of views helps the algorithm push your video and channel up or down on this platform. Now, if your channel is not monetized, next part of monetization will be missing until the video elements section. Monetization. If you want your video to be monetized, make sure that you click on. If your channel is not monetized, this part will not be shown. In order to know how to monetize your channel and how to use this option, watch our video, YouTube channel, and video monetization. Here you can also choose the types of ads that you would like to see during your video. Location of video ads can be completed only after the standard quality or SD version of your video has been processed. Ad suitability. This is the part where YouTube helps you earn more revenue faster. This is a checklist of self-certification. By checking all the previously mentioned, YouTube decides if it's appropriate to use ads on your video and what kind of ads it will place. Also, it's an automated system that does it, not a person. This is the part where authors check what kind of video they're uploading. In this part, you have to be honest and check all the necessary boxes in order to describe your video more accurately, so YouTube could know what kind of ads it will place on your video. Make sure to go through all the boxes and check that list. Make sure to rate your content accurately. If you don't do it manually, YouTube will do it with their automated system, which can harm your monetization and revenue. Do not forget that there are advertisers that don't mind if you have inappropriate language in your videos, for example. If your content is good, check the box, none of the above. Video elements. Add an end screen. You can promote related content at the end of the screen. For example, you can promote your previous video or best for the viewer. YouTube algorithm will pick one of your videos. YouTube gives you different possibilities or templates. You can click here and choose one from the videos, import from video, or end screen. So from here, you can choose a video, the whole playlist, subscribe button, channel, or even a link. Add cards. During your video, related content could be promoted. For example, you have a DIY channel. In your video, you can add cards, small tags in a corner of the video promoting a website, playlist, video, channel, or some other link. Click on that part, then click on the video and choose at what time you would like your card to show up. By clicking here, choose what kind of card will show up. Video. From the menu, you can choose to pick your video or choose any video from YouTube. At any time, you can delete the card on the trash can icon. Playlist. Again, you can choose from one of your own or from any playlist on YouTube. Channel. Add a channel by typing its name. The good thing is that you drive people to click on your link by typing out the custom message or teaser text. Link. Choose a link that people can access to. Checks. If you're in Partners program, from here you can check your ad suitability and your video for copyright claims, whether you are in YouTube's partner program or not. The copyright check allows you to dispute a claim or edit and fix your video if issues are found. The ad suitability check allows you to request a human review if you think YouTube systems made a mistake. Also, it can help you learn more about potential restrictions so you can manage them before publishing. Visibility. Your video can be private so only you could see it. Unlisted. Anyone with the link can see it. Members only. Only members of your community can see it, and it's a special video category. Public. Your video will be published as soon as you click save. It can be also premiered. It means that your subscribers will receive a notification at what time your video will be online. Great thing when you have a special video to present. Schedule. You can also schedule it for later. Just pick date and time. Now when it's all said and done, click Save. And that's it. Your video will be uploaded very soon, but be sure to check if it's on a channel before you close the platform. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.